Hey gamers, welcome back, your go-to spot for the latest gaming tips, reviews, and gear. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide on how to find the best gaming headsets in 2024. Whether you're a casual player or a pro, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Choosing the perfect gaming headset can be overwhelming with so many options out there. Stick around to discover the top features to look for and our top picks for 2024. A great gaming headset can make all the difference, providing immersive sound, clear communication, and long-lasting comfort. Today, we'll explore what makes a headset stand out and how to find the perfect one for your gaming needs. Ever been in the heat of battle and missed a crucial sound cue because of a low-quality headset? Or maybe your headset is just uncomfortable for long gaming sessions. Finding the right headset can be a game changer. Here are the key features to consider. First up, sound quality. Look for headsets with high-quality drivers for immersive sound. Next, mic quality. The clear, noise-canceling microphone is essential for team communication. Comfort is also crucial, especially for long gaming sessions. Check for adjustable headbands and plush ear cushions. Don't forget about connectivity. Decide whether you prefer a wired or wireless headset. Wireless offers more freedom, but wired can provide a more stable connection. Finally, consider additional features like surround sound, customizable sound profiles, and RGB lighting. Finding the best gaming headset comes down to your personal preferences and needs. Remember to prioritize sound quality, mic clarity, comfort, and connectivity. With the right headset, you'll elevate your gaming experience to the next level. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more gaming gear reviews and tips. Drop a comment below with your favorite headset, and check out the links in the description to grab one of our top picks. Game on!